Hey guys, this is Vishnu Solanki और आप देख रहे हैं मैथ्स. So now today we are starting the lecture series first of chapter number 2 polynomial NCERT course standard 9th. So first of all we have to see what is the meaning of polynomial. Polynomial means its actual definition is the sum, is a subtract and minus is a subtract and add of various algebraic terms. अब actually what is the meaning of algebraic terms? Algebraic terms means whenever I write 2, 3x, 9x square, x, these all are the algebraic terms. Okay. And whenever I take two algebraic terms, just like 2, 3x, and I add them, then it will become a polynomial. You can add, you can subtract also. See, 9x square minus x. This is also polynomial. This is also polynomial. So simply in a basic language, what is the meaning of polynomial? Whenever you see any algebraic terms, algebraic term contains constants, variables, arbitrary constants. This all are the algebraic terms. कोई भी दो algebraic term को मैं यहाँ उठा लूं और उसको add या subtract करूं तो यह बन जाता है polynomial में. ठीक है, तो आपको पॉलिनोमियल के बारे में एक ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन आपको मिल गया. सो नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, कितने टाइप के पॉलिनोमियल एक्चुअली अवेलेबल है. सो एक्चुअल में ये सब चीजें आपने स्टैंडर्ड 8 में पढ़ चुके हो तो थोड़ा रिवाइज हो जाए. टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, यू ऑल नो दैट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल. So it is scientific language. Mono means 1, bio means 2, trio means 3, tetra means 4. Mono means contain only one term. One term क्या हो सकता है? 2, 3x, 9x, 5. These all are the one terms. ये एक ही term है. Okay, that's why we say that this is the monomial. Now binomial means contain two terms. 2 plus 3x. 9 minus 4x, 3 minus 5x square. This contains two terms, you see. That's why it's known as a binomial. Now trinomial. Trinomial, 2 plus 3x plus 9x square. Three terms. 2 plus 9x minus 4x cube. It contains three terms. That's why I call that this is a trinomial. And you all know that the basic standard form of any quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of any quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means is contain maximum 2 degree. Okay. So अब तक क्या पढ़ा? अब तक हमने पढ़ा polynomial क्या होता है, what is a polynomial, types of polynomial. Now we have to study linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Linear means what? Degree should be 1. Okay. Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. ये सब चीजों का मीनिंग क्या है? What is the meaning of this? Linear polynomial degree should be 1. Degree means maximum power. Whenever I write 2x plus 3, 3x plus 9, this all are the binomial, but the maximum power of the variable is 1. It's called degree. That's why we say that this is a linear polynomial. Now quadratic. Quadratic, simple, 2x square plus 3x plus 9. Here you see the maximum power of variable is 2. That's why we can say that this is the क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. जब भी कोई भी वेरिएबल की मैक्सिमम पावर 2 है तो उसे हम क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल कहेंगे. द सिंपल वे, व्हेनेवर आई राइट 2x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 2, you see here the maximum power of variable is 3 and that's why it's known as a cubic polynomial. So you see the exact difference between these three things: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Linear means 1, maximum power 1, means degree should be 1. Quadratic degree should be 2 and cubic degree should be 3. Okay. Now actually you see the various equations of one variable and two variable also. So actually what is the meaning of one variable? One variable. Simple equation contain one variable only. I'm writing here 2x square plus 3x plus 9. This is the equation that contain only one variable, that is x. X is only one variable. That's why I can say that this equation is a one variable equation. Now two variable. What is the meaning of two variable? Simple equation contains two variable, not one. Equation 3x plus 4y plus 9. Here you see there is a two variable, x as well as y. That's why it is known as an equation of two variable. Simple. So now the introduction session is complete. अच्छे से इंट्रोडक्शन हमने कर लिया कि पॉलिनोमियल होता क्या है, कितने टाइप्स होते हैं, ठीक है. सो नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग आवर फर्स्ट टॉपिक, जीरोस ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. जीरोस मीन्स व्हाट? जीरोस मीन्स, चलो एक सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपको बताऊं. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एग्जांपल. px is equal to x minus 1. Polynomial in the function of x is equal to x minus 1. This is given. Whenever I put the value of x here 1, I'm just putting the value of x 1. जहां पे भी x दिखता है, you just put there 1. Here is x, I'm just putting here 1. Here is also 1. 1 minus 1, your answer is 0. Your answer is here 0. So I can say that 1, this 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. I can say that 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. We understand by taking example. अब सिंपल लैंग्वेज में ऐसा कौन सा वैल्यू अगर मैं x की जगह पे डालूं तो उसकी मदद से आंसर 0 आए, तो वो पॉलिनोमियल का 0 कहलाएगा. ठीक है. एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं. लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. px is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, the value of x is given. Value of x is minus 1. So simple. We get the value of x and we have to put this value in this equation. p minus 1 is equal to 2. The value of x is minus 1 plus 3. 2 minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 3. And our answer is 1, not 0. Our answer is 1, not 0. So this is not a 0 of this equation. This is not a 0 of this polynomial. अगर इसको पुट करने से आंसर 0 आता तो yes, this is a 0 of this polynomial, but 0 is not come. So this is not a 0 of this polynomial. तो सिंपल आपको समझ में आ गया इतना कि जीरो ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल क्या है. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट एग्जांपल्स. नाउ इन एग्जांपल सेशन यू सी दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube, and we have to find these three values: polynomial in the function of 0, polynomial in the function of 1, and polynomial in the function of 2. Here actually the 1, 0, 1 and 2 represents the value of t, value of variable. Then you have to put this value in place of variables t. Okay, so let's start p0. p in the function of 0, that means you have to put 0 in place of t. जहां भी t दिखता है वहां आपको पुट करना है 0. 2 plus, here is a 0, 2 0 square minus 0 cube. 2 plus 0 multiply with number contain, the answer is 0. The 2 plus 0, our answer is 2. Simple. ये हमारा फर्स्ट हो गया. नाउ सेकंड वन. p 1. p in the function of 1. Simple. We have to put 1 in place of t. 2 plus 1 plus 2. 1 square minus 1 cube. Okay. Now further solve. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 square 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 cube 1. Okay, 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 1, and our answer is 4. You just get the answer. You don't want to say whether this is polynomial, whether this is a zeros of this polynomial or not. You just solve this example. Just that's it. Now next, p in the function of 2. Now simple, we have to put 2 in place of t. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 square minus 2 cube. You see, I just putting the 2 in place of t. Here is a 2, there is also 2. In place of t, I just have to put here 2. Now 2 plus 2, 4. 2 square, 4. And 2 cube, 8. You have to know that what is the cube and square of these particular numbers. 4 2s are 8, minus 8 plus 8, it will be cancelled out, and our answer is 4. Okay, so this is our first example. So just you can easily find out the value of this particular equations. Now let's start next example. Now our next question is, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial or not. Now we have to here verify whether this number is a zero of this polynomial or not. Whenever answer will come 0, then simply we can say that this is a zero of this polynomial. And answer is not 0, then this is not a polynomial. This is not a zero of this polynomial. Okay. The value of x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So simple, we have to put minus 1 by 3 in place of x. P minus 1 by 3. I'm just putting the value of x. Yes, minus 1 by 3 in place of x. Okay. Simple, x की जगह minus 1 by 3 जहाँ दिख रहा है वहाँ put करना है. 3 will be cancelled. Here is only minus 1, plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, and your answer is 0. Yes, your answer is 0. So now we can say that this number is a zero of this polynomial. Yes, we can say that. Now, next example. Px is equal to 5x minus pi, where the value of x is equal to 4 by 5. For checking, we have to put the value of x in place of x. P. The value of x is 4 by 5. So 5, here I am putting 4 by 5 minus pi. 5 will cancel out, and our answer is 4 minus pi. You can put here the value of pi 22 by 7, but 0 will not come. Here this is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. So this is not a zero of this polynomial. मतलब क्या? ये जो नंबर है वो ये पॉलिनोमियल का जीरो रहेगा नहीं. अगर आंसर 0 आता है तो ही वो उसका जीरो बन सकता है. ओके, नाउ थर्ड एग्जांपल. Px is equal to Lx plus m, where the value of x is minus m by L. So simple, we have to put the value of x here. Polynomial minus m by L we have to put in place of x. So L, here is x, I just have to put here m by L minus plus m. Okay, जहां पे भी x लिखा मैंने वहां पे ये put कर दिया. Now next, L will cancel, minus m plus m, these two also cancel, and our answer is 0. So we can say that this number is a zero of this polynomial. Yes, we can say that. Now next example. This was the example of exercise. You can see in the textbook, okay? And you have to further solve also. Okay, one more example. Whenever you see any root number, you just panic. Okay. So we have to put these two values. Okay. First of all, we have to put minus 1 upon root 3. P minus 1 upon root 3. Okay, whenever see any x, we have to put minus 1 upon root 3 in place of x. Here is a square also, minus 1. Next, 3. This minus 1 ka square is a 1. Root 3 square, 3 minus 1 minus 1. Here is a square. Square is an even number. The minus will automatically neglected, eliminated. 3 will cancel. 1 minus 1 and our answer is 0. So obviously this is the 0 of this polynomial. Yes. Now we have to check one more. 2 by root 3. You have to say this is a 0. You have to check this is a 0 of this polynomial or not. 2 by root 3. 3. 2 by root 3 square minus 1. Simple, I just put the value 3. The square of 2, that is 4. Root 3 square, 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 will cancel. 4 minus 1 and our answer is 3, not 0. And our answer is 3. I'm sorry. So here, whenever you put 2 upon root 3, the answer is 3 instead of 0. Okay. 0 nahi aa raha hai. The answer will come 3. So we cannot say that this is a 0 of this polynomial. This is not a 0 of this polynomial. Whenever you get answer 0, then and then we can say that this is a 0 of this polynomial. Okay. So now this exercise is over. Now we are taking the method number 3. So in this method, find the zeros. Find zeros. We have to just find the zeros. Okay. First, px is equal to 2x plus 5. We have to find the value of 0. How can we find? Simple. अगर कहीं पे भी 0 की बात करें, then you have to take polynomial equal to 0. जब भी आपको कोई 0 फाइंड करना, whenever you just find this value of 0, you have to take this fraction, polynomial equal to 0. Then you can easily find the value of 0. Polynomial equal to 0, I'm just putting here 0 is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay, this plus 5 will go on left hand side and becomes minus 5. The value of 0 is equal to minus 5. This 2 will go in denominator. The value of 0 is minus 5 by 2. We can easily find by this method. Simple, जब भी 0 find करना हो आपको, simple आपको polynomial की जगह क्या रख देना है? 0 रख देना है. Then you will easily find the value of x. And this is actually the value of 0 also. Okay. Now next, px is equal to 3x. So now what is the value of 0 in this particular equation, in this particular polynomial actually? 0 is equal to 3x. The value of x is equal to 0 by 3. The value of x is equal to 0. Simple, 0 by 3, 0. The value of 0 is also 0. Now the next example. This is all a simple example. You can practice in your homework also. I'll give you homework today, okay? Now again we have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of 0. Okay, I'm putting here 0. Cx plus d. This d will go on left hand side and becomes negative. I just want to find the value of x. Then this c will go in a denominator and the value of 0 is minus d by c. By this method you can find easily. Now the today lecture session is over. Now I'm giving you homework. Okay. So here you see, this is your homework. Then our first question, y square minus y plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1. You have to find the value of p0, p1 and p2. The second question, verification. We have to verify whether this is a 0 of this polynomial or not. X is x square minus 1, where x is equal to 1 or minus 1, to x plus 1, where x is equal to 1 by 2. And the third question, find zeros. We have to find the zeros. Then you know that we have to take px is equal to 0 and find the value of x. Just note. And ये लेक्चर सीरीज चलती रहेगी. कल लेक्चर नंबर 2 आएगा, अलग अलग मेथड्स फाइंड आउट करना सीखेंगे हम। तो बनाए रहिए, नोटिफिकेशन दबाइए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, आपको रेगुलर नोटिफिकेशन इससे मिलते रहेंगे। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ गुड डे।